The Queen will be held without bail until the sample is returned from the lab. And now it's time for That's Kent-ertainment. Springfield natives Cheech and Chong are returning in triumph for a reunion show.
Cheech and Chong are coming back to Springfield?
Tomorrow, a high-pressure front brings a strong possibility of drizzle.
Then the Doobie of Destiny changed their lives forever when police burned marijuana seized from the Buddy Rich Orchestra in a nearby lot.
And what is rain, man? It's like we're in the apartment under God and his fat sister overflowed the tub.
Now these homegrown heroes will kick off their summer tour at Squidport's new amphitheater, the Clamphitheater. The $800 million boondoggle based on nothing more than a cute play on words.
I failed as a parent. I swore the day my son was born he would appreciate stoner comedy. To the media room.
Open up. It's the police. Oh, man, I gotta get rid of my grass.
What are you guys doing up there?
Hide the dope.
We don't have any dope.
Then what did I just smoke?
Lou, I want you to confiscate these brownies.
There's no drugs in these brownies.
I said confiscate. Also confiscate me a t-shirt, triple XL. And I said, ladies and gentlemen, Cheech and Chong.
Who is it?
It's me, Dave, man. Open up. I got the stuff.
Ooh, he's gonna say Dave's not here. Dave's not here. Dave's not here.
Dave's not here! Dave's not here!
Dave's not going to sell out anymore, man. I can't say it.
These people pay good money to see Dave's not here. You owe them Dave's not here.
Well, how about this? Chong's not here, man.
Homie, you know all the bits. Maybe you could help him.
I can't do reefer comedy. I'm drunk. Two different animals.
Help him.
Dave's not here, man.
Open up the door.
Dave's not here, man.
I don't find this funny at all.
Hey, man, you're all right. How'd you like to be the new Chong?
Yes! Will I get to meet Dave?
There is no Dave.
How about Don Johnson?
It'd be easier to meet Dave.
It is so cool for you to let me go on tour with Cheech.
And remember, on the road, the only vice you can indulge in is gluttony.
I can't believe I'm riding around in Cheech's van. The van made of weed.
It's not made of weed.
Oh, what's it made of? Hash? Shrooms?
No, the van is just made of van.
Don't worry, Cheech. I know all the classic bits of you and Chong.
Don't say that name. No, you drive. I have to go black out his face on some t-shirts with a magic marker. Yes.
You ever notice how your nose makes boogers? What's up with that?
Next.
I'll pay the rent. My hero. Who am I kidding? I don't got the money.
Next.
Kinderbroch. Isarera. Zoom.
Attention, class, shut up. Thank you.
No, man. No routines from the old regime.
Oh, perhaps I should improvise or do an improv. A lot of people have cell phones, but I like to eat healthy, so I invented the celery phone.
You are the unfunniest man I've ever seen, which means teaming up with you would be totally pushing the envelope.
Time to finally return your father's overdue move. A better idea?
Why did you just get?
I just came for my dog. Sample size shampoos, detergents, and whiskeys, and... I hate to say this about the cat lady, but I think she's crazy. She's a hoarder. Can we help her? We can. It'll be great. Like a reality show without the cameras. You mean just reality?
Yeah, that's what you think.
Chong has lost its Chong. I am the Chong now.
That's funny, Homer. Now we really have to work on the show.
Oh, yeah, I get you. Work on the show.
Comedy is hard work.
Hard work? I thought this was going to be fun.
It is fun. The fun is the knowledge that our audience gets a good value for their hard-earned dollar.
Better shut up. Cheech is really mad. I wish that I had gone with Chong.
Now we've managed to preoccupy the cat lady for the next few hours.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh. Thank you, Marge. Thank you for clearing the clutter from my house and my mind.
Wait! A perfectly good hot lather dispenser. I can't count the number of times Homie's cried in anguish over his lukewarm lather. All of J.D. Salinger's books except Catcher in the Rye. Used pizza protectors!
Hey, sister! I gotta go to the can, man!
You earned a reward.
Oh, yeah. A reward from Cheech.
In fact, I was the baddest dribbler in the whole neighborhood. I took that basketball with me everywhere I went. That basketball, maybe that's why I can't sleep at night. I need help, ladies and gentlemen. Someone to hit the open man on the give and go and not end up in the popcorn machine.
Homer! Here's your reward.
What the?
Now, Homer, this Viramontes image is an example of how Chicano poster art preserves a culture ignored by Eurocentric society.
You're eccentric. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, man. I am Dave.
Dave is here. Man.
Who has disturbed my tomb?
Grandpa, you're not dead.
Well, wake me when I am.
Now let's take it from the part where we sniff each other's butts.
Yes, sir.
Come on, sniff!
I can't believe the crazy house would throw out all these forks.
Marge, sweetie, do you know how low prices are insane?
Marge, what can one person honestly do with filled-in mini-golf score sheets? Oh, God! European ketchup, styrofoam shaped like old computers. Oh, God! I got stuff. Give me. I got it. Oh, looky.
We got something more important to attend to. We'll deal with all that later.
Hey, baby, wanna ride?
Come on. If Art Garfunkel could forgive that untalented twerp Paul Simon, you can do this.
What'd you do with Chunk, man?
He sent me out here, man. He's got this idea I'm unhappy with my new partner. Tell him how you feel. I feel super high.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, surrender to the moment.
You know, it's okay if you want to experiment a little, like old Thomas.
Oh, Richard.
How now, mad spirits? Before we part, 'tis I, mischievous and puckish Bart. And Homer, he is back with Mom. You can watch us.
That's why we invented the seat-to-feet lift chair, which makes getting up by yourself
A thing of the past?
a thing of the past.
Woo! Oh, 11,100! I can't afford that. But that chair would be a lot better than the way I get up now.
Magic Club! Join the Magic Club! Want to cut up a banana without peeling it? Join and I'll tell you how. Oh, do you want to join? You could be president. Just man the booth. I need to go to the bathroom.
I'd love to join. Honestly, this is the only booth that doesn't creep me out.
Hug me! Hug me!
Well, I've got news for all of your clubs. It's 3 p.m., so Willie's turning on the sprinklers.
I think everyone's doing these days, by which I mean a couple of years ago, is to get money through crowdfunding. You thought about that?
Yes, but what is it? Hello, friends. Are you sick of big charity asking you for money? You can help a man get back on his feet.
Dad, what are you recording?
Oh, Lisa, turn the camera and quickly say, please give.
Please give.
Well, I suppose I could spare a little for my neighborino.
Will you shut up, Flanders?
Lip zipped.
We did it, friends. Made our goal. And now to reveal the miracle that you all made happen. That's right. You bought me this chair.
You gave money to this idiot?
It was from my separate bank account.
What separate account?
I only use it to pay for my separate phone.
You have a separate phone?
Good. You feel the burning in your core?
Oh, yes, I do.
Spend my money on a chair, sir. You lazy bug monster.
Don't be alarmed there, Homer. We're just gonna calmly and gently destroy that chair!
God, you idiot!
Wait a minute. That's not the chair.
Guess a guy like me is never gonna get the finer things in life.
Dad, can you take me to a concert with my new friend, Harper? Her dad got us the seats. They're an adorable Australian boy band, and you can't really understand what they're saying. But who cares?
And here are your platinum VIP wristbands.
What the? VIP? Oh, this is never coming off. Just like the one from the last great day in my life.
Yo quería ver esto, pero no puedo arrastrar la misho.
Yes.
Doe-eyed boys! Ah!
Where? Maybe one of these poor little wimps will tell me. Answer me, wimps.
That's them! The band!
Lisa, you made it!
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new owner of the Springfield Arena, Mike Jambowski.
Woo! Woo! Hey, you want to fire a confetti gun, Homer?
That's the only kind of gun I've never fired.
Come on, just point and squeeze.
When we harmonize and you look in our eyes, you'll see it's no surprise. We'll give your Nobel Prize. Thursday I love thee, Friday it's yours.
Is this heaven? Not quite, because I hate the music.
Hey, Homer, you want to get out of here? Get a beer?
Hi, I'm Gus, and I'll be happy to serve you.
A friendly bartender? This is like being from North Korea and finding out there's a South Korea.
I'm great. When I'm happy, I make holes. And when I'm sad, I buy a hockey team. Oh, bam!
What are they? Wow, Mike's daughter seems really great.
Yeah, but it was weird. First she was nice to me, but then when the band came, she wouldn't let me say a word.
So it doesn't matter if she talks to you, looks at you, or is disrespectful to your father. She is your best friend. Did you ever sit in the back of anything?
Just a space shuttle, man.
Okay, ladies, would each of you tell me your favorite TV show and dessert?
Certainly. My favorites are the Happy Little Elf.
Krusty and Cotton Candy.
I was gonna say what my...
What's the trick here?
How come you're so quiet? Did he switch your brain with the rabbits? Because that means somewhere there was one annoying rabbit. Shut up. I just keep thinking about the way Harper cut me off.
Mike just invited our family to spend next week on their private island.
Wow, a whole week. Hello?
This is Principal Seymour Skinner. We're calling parents, starting with you, to let them know that school has been canceled next week.
Lisa, wait! I'm so glad you guys are coming with us. So, I got you a friendship present.
A new bike? It just wouldn't be right for me to accept it.
You'd rather have your crappy bike?
Look, Harper, this may be crappy, but it's my bike. My dad assembled it on Christmas Day.
Just what? Don't appreciate what I did for you?
Why do you always interrupt me like that? That's not how friends are.
I think I know how friends are.
How would you like it if I interrupted you all the time?
Oh, sweet bike.
You can have it!
Even sweeter. As soon as I put some training wheels on this, I'll be the coolest kid ever.
Oh, too fat! You can put that stuff away, 'cause the trip is off.
Well, where are we going with Harper?
Nowhere, 'cause we're not friends anymore.
You owe me a Caribbean vacation, Lisa. San Croix or better.
Lisa, sweetie, I just want to understand. You got in a fight with her because she tried to give you a new bike?
Let's not let our little girls not liking each other stand in the way of their being friends. Come to the island, man. We have everything there, except for trunks your size. Ha! Whew. Now, we'll meet you on the island, and the only problem will be the sand in our whatevers.
I'll show you. Hey, sharks! Here's some chum!
I'm really glad you came, Lisa.
Thanks for having us.
Now, Homer, I got you a special surprise.
A beach lift chair! The laziest thing there is! Suckers!
Underneath the mango tree, me honey and me make hula loop soon.
Oh, why do you kids have to argue all the time?
'Cause she wants things her way instead of the right way. Dad, I think you have a choice to make here.
Harper, I know I shouldn't say this on your private island, but you're kind of spoiled. We don't have to be on the same island with people who push my little girl around. Let's go, Marge.
Now? I just got up.
Now, please. I know how you feel, buddy.
Bald eagle.
It is. Ow, ow. This means war.
We're finally gonna catch that mouse. Gotcha!
Ha stupid eagle! Drag him up!
Or maybe we can nurse him back to health and set him free in the wild.
Okay, Bart, think of a name. Bye!
We love you.
Boy, give me my baseball bat.
Hello, I'm Elon Musk.
His company perfected electric cars and then gave away the patents. He changed the way Hollywood drives.
So what brings you to Springfield, Mr. Musk?
What does bring me to Springfield? Well, to start with, I'm an idea man.
If you're interested, you could come to the nuclear plant where I work tomorrow.
I am, and I will.
Hi, I didn't want to miss one more chance to spend time with Mr. Musk. It is such an honor.
Oh, man, I wish those were white meatballs.
Say something else, please, now.
Don't taste me, bro. Chocolate rain!
Taste, bro, chocolate rain.
Bye.
Well, come on, keep throwing things at me.
Why don't we have fun like that, Lou?
Chief. Good Lord. Sir, you know who that is? The man who's revolutionized